Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to move collection modes in Figma. So here's my file with 4 modes: blue, red, yellow, and black. In Figma, you cannot move modes position, so I have to use a simple plugin called Variable Manager. Here I open the plugin and it's very simple. You click on Reorder mode, you select the collection you want to change modes. Here it shows the current order: blue, red, yellow, black, blue, red, yellow, black. And here you can drag and drop the modes in order to put them in the order you want. I like the modes to be red, blue, black, and yellow. Once you have the final mode order you want, click on change order, up, and everything is changed in the right order here. If you made a mistake and you want to change it again, you can just update the new order here, and you will see that yellow at the end will come at the second position. That's it. And if you don't like the updates that were made, you can easily undo them with Command plus Z, or redo them as you want. I hope it will be useful for you.